Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure that you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and efficiently replace your battery. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 and unplug it from any power source. Before opening the device, it's crucial to ground yourself using the anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a small container so you don't lose any. Once all screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel. With the bottom panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular component with a connector attached. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using compressed air. This helps ensure optimal performance after the battery replacement. Now, disconnect the old battery by carefully pulling out the connector. Note how it is connected, as you will need to connect the new battery in the same way. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this replacement, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the old battery is disconnected, it's time to install the new one. Align the new battery with the connector and press it in gently until it clicks into place. Make sure it's securely connected. After the new battery is installed, it's time to reattach the bottom panel. Align it properly and press down gently to snap it back into place. Then, use the Phillips head screwdriver to reinsert all screws. Ensure they are tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this may strip the screws. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about transportation or making calls to set up an appointment. We take care of everything for you. Now that the bottom panel is back on and secured, plug in your laptop and power it on. Check to see if the battery is recognized and charging correctly. This is a critical step to confirm that the installation was successful. Finally, if you experience any problems during this process, or if your new battery doesn't seem to function properly, you can always reach out for a quote before repair. We're here to help you troubleshoot any issues seamlessly. By following these steps, you should now have successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 316 IRU8. Enjoy your renewed battery life. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.